Guys, take a quick look at this channel for a sec. Now imagine every single month on the 28th, you get an alert on your phone, and boom, $5,000 just got credited into your account. Pretty nice feeling, right? Well, that's exactly what this channel owner feels. Less than a year on YouTube, less than 100 videos uploaded, and somehow, they've already built over 120,000 subscribers. And he's not even the only one doing this. Channels like That Guy and Productive Pete are also blowing up with these super simple Stickman animation videos. And honestly, I looked at all of this and thought to myself, yeah, I want that feeling too. I want to wake up one random morning and decide, you know what? I'm going to the Bahamas this weekend. Not because I got lucky, but because I worked smart for it. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna recreate this viral Stickman animation style. Actually, no, we're gonna do something even better. We're not just copying successful Stickman animation channels. We're gonna make them unique to our own personality, because that's what separates people who actually grow from everyone else watching this video and making the exact same thing as everybody else. And just so you know, this actually works. Take a look at this animation I made in under 15 minutes using the exact method I'm about to show you right now.
Why do so many people sabotage themselves right before a breakthrough? Have you ever been this close to something finally working? And then somehow, quietly, without even realizing it, you stopped, not because you failed, not because the opportunity disappeared, but because something inside you pulled the brakes. Psychology says this isn't weakness, it's a pattern.
And wait, make sure you stick around till the end of this video, because we're gonna create a brand new channel together, upload this exact style of content, and once that channel gets monetized, I'm giving it away to one lucky subscriber. So if you want to be part of that, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and share this video. Alright, back to the main focus of today. The first thing you're gonna need is a chatbot like Claude AI, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek. Let's use Claude AI for this because its responses tend to feel a little more human and a lot less robotic. But honestly, you can use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or pretty much any chatbot you're comfortable with. So first, head over and create a free account. And before somebody asks in the comments, but do I need to spend money? No. Every single tool we're using in this video is completely free. Now that we have our chatbot ready, we need a way to actually communicate what we want. And luckily, I've already done the hard work for you. I created a prompt that you'll find in the description below. Just copy it and save yourself several hours of trial and error. Once you've copied the prompt, head back to Claude AI and paste it into the chat box. What this prompt does is pretty crazy. It can analyze and break down almost any successful YouTube channel and help you recreate the structure behind its success, whether it's Stickman animations, self-improvement videos, storytelling channels, or almost any niche you can think of. And the best part? You don't need any complicated setup. After you paste the prompt, Claude is going to ask for the YouTube channel URL you want to analyze. So head over to YouTube and copy the channel link. And quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes. The goal isn't to become a carbon copy of another creator. The goal is to understand what's working and build something better with your own personality. Once you provide the channel URL, Claude will ask you for between 2 and 5 video transcripts from that channel. So let's go grab those. And here's a little trick most people miss. Don't go straight for the videos with millions of views. Millions of people have already watched those videos. Instead, look for videos with less than about 150,000 views. These videos often have great ideas that simply didn't get the same amount of exposure, which means there's still room to put your own spin on them. Once you find a video you like, open it up, scroll down to the description, click on Show Transcript, copy the transcript and save it somewhere, then repeat the process until you've collected a few. This one looks pretty good. Copy. Look at me collecting transcripts like they're Pokemon cards. Once you've got enough, head back to Claude and paste them into the chat, then hit send. After analyzing the transcripts, Claude will ask whether you already have video ideas or if you want it to generate some for you. Just type, "Give me 10 video titles." And within seconds, it'll generate 10 different ideas. Now don't just pick the first one you see, pick the one that makes you curious. Because if you feel tempted to click it, there's a good chance other people will too. For me, I'm going with topic number 9. If I saw that title on my homepage, I'd probably click it before finishing my breakfast. Once you've picked your topic, paste it back into Claude and hit send. Now, here's where things get interesting. Claude will analyze the niche, identify the target audience, break down the story structure, and even estimate the ideal script length. That last part is actually way more useful than most people realize, because it tells you roughly how long your video will be before you even start editing. For example, my script came out to around 420 words, which means the final video should be somewhere between 2 and 3 minutes long. And for this type of content, that's actually a pretty solid length. Not too short, not too long. Just enough to keep people watching before they remember they were supposed to be working. If you're happy with the script, go ahead and copy it. If not, ask Claude to generate another version. You can tell it to make the script more funny, more serious, more educational, more storytelling focused, or whatever fits your niche. For me, I actually like this version, so let's move on to the voiceover. Now, we have a few options here. There's Clipchamp, which gives you unlimited voice generation. There's also Google AI Studio. Both are completely free. The only downside is that they don't sound quite as polished as ElevenLabs. So, if you want the best quality possible, I'd recommend ElevenLabs. The free plan gives you around 10,000 credits, which is more than enough to get started. And hopefully, by the time you run out, YouTube starts paying you instead. Once you sign up, you'll arrive on the dashboard. Go to the text-to-speech section. You'll notice several different models, including the newer V3 model. But personally, I still prefer V2 because it gives me more control over the voice settings. Now, we need a voice for our channel. You can browse through the library and pick one you like. But honestly, I prefer creating my own because nobody else will have that exact voice. And it helps your channel feel more unique. So go to the voice section, click Voice Design. Describe how you want your narrator to sound, and generate your custom voice. Once you've done that, head back to Claude and copy a small section of your script. Paste it into ElevenLabs, select your custom voice. And now, we're about to perform a little bit of magic. See these settings right here? This is where robotic voices become human voices. Increase the speed slightly, drop the stability to around 15%. Set similarity to roughly 70%. And push style exaggeration up to around 85%. Then click Generate. And just like that, your voice suddenly sounds like it had coffee this morning. Once we are done generating all our voiceovers, we head back to Claude AI and ask it to generate image prompts for us. Immediately, Claude will begin generating the image prompts we're going to use for this video, so just be patient and let it generate everything for you. Once it is done, it's time for us to generate our images, and to do this, we have a few options. First, we have Google Gemini, which gives you unlimited image generation for free. The second option is Google Flow. We can also use it to generate images for 0 credits, so it's completely free as well. The next option is Meta. This can be used to generate both videos and images for free with unlimited generations. You can log into the platform using your Facebook or Instagram account. And another option is Pipit AI. It offers both image and video generation completely free. So what we're going to do is head back to Claude AI, copy each prompt, and paste it into all the platforms to see which one performs best. And here are the results. This is what Gemini came up with. Pretty nice. Let me check what Google Flow came up with as well. Wow, Google Flow did a really nice job. This one looks good. Meta did a nice job as well, but it keeps converting the images into videos. Pipit also did a great job too, but I'm gonna choose Google Flow. It did a wonderful job, so I'll go ahead and generate the rest of the images using the remaining prompts until every part of the video is complete. Once all the images are finished, it's time to animate them. Head back to your chatbot and ask it for motion prompts. It'll generate movement instructions for every image. After that, copy the first prompt and head over to Google Vids. You can use this platform to animate your video. Click on Get Started. After that, you're going to be taken to another interface. Once you're there, click on this drop-down menu and select Animate Image. Upload your image and paste the prompt into the animation prompt section, then click Generate. Immediately, it will start animating the image for you. Once that's done, click on the video, press Insert, and then click the plus button so we can edit the rest of the images as well. You're going to want to repeat this process until you've completed all the remaining images. Another option we can use to animate our video is Google Flow. Create a new project. Switch from Nano Banana to video generation. Select the 1x model so we can save some credits. Because we're creators, and creators are professional credit savers. Upload your image and let Google Flow handle the rest. A few seconds later, your animation is ready. And honestly, it looks pretty amazing. Now all that's left is editing. Take all your animated clips and voiceovers and import them into CapCut. Arrange everything according to the script. Line up the visuals with the narration. Add transitions if you want. And if you've edited videos before, this entire step shouldn't take more than about 20 minutes. Once you're done, export the video. And just like that, the video is finished. Now all we have to do is create a brand new channel, customize it, and upload the video. I'll be monitoring the channel and posting regularly until it gets monetized. And yes, I'm actually giving it away to one lucky subscriber. So, if you want a chance to own a monetized YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and stick around. You never know. That channel could end up being yours.